Hi family, I've got the jumbo pasta shells cooked. They're over there draining, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my stuffing for the jumbo pasta shells. I've got a pound of ground Italian sausage. I've done cooked that. I'm going to mix in 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. Eric's not here, he's at work, so I'm trying to do this on my own, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Y'all can let me know. Okay, I've got parsley flakes. It's going to take a half of a tablespoon. I don't have fresh parsley, so I'm having to use this. Don't hate on me. And basil as well, a half a tablespoon. Set those aside. A tablespoon of minced garlic. Fourth a teaspoon of black pepper. One egg. Now I'm going to mix this all together. I have never made stuffed shells before, so this is a first for me. I hope they're going to turn out good. I'm going to make some garlic bread as well, and I'll show y'all that in just a little bit. This is mixing together nicely. It's been a beautiful day here in Kentucky. How's it been where you live at? Had the sunshine. I try to have supper ready when my sweet Eric gets in from work of the evening. He always gets excited, he said, because he don't know what I'm going to fix. My oven is preheated. I got it preheated to 375. Oh, that all came together nicely. Sure did. Okay. I'm going to set this to the side. I have sprayed my casserole dish, number 13, with that no stick spray. I'm going to put about half of my spaghetti sauce. I've got 3 1/3 cups. And I'm going to spread this all on the bottom so the shells will sit down in there nicely. I've just got to let the shells cool off some so I can handle them to stuff them. I can't wait for Eric to taste test this. Cannot wait. Okay, that's all I'm going to put on there. Let's get that spread out good. You can use whatever pasta sauce you want to. I've got a mix of 2 in here because it takes 26 ounces. So I measured it out and it's 3 1/3 cups. And I'll be back. Okay, I've gone ahead and started stuffing these shells. And I went ahead and added some mozzarella in with my mix. And it's just however much you want to put in it. You don't have to. I just decided to. And then I'm going to put mozzarella on top of it when it's done. I'm not going to have you watch while I stuff every one of these shells. So I just kind of wanted to show you how I'm doing it. Okay, I got all the shells stuffed. I still have some left over, so I'm going to put those in a smaller casserole dish and fix those. And what I'm going to do now is take my remaining pasta sauce and kind of just make sure I cover these. And you've got all that on the bottom too, but you want to make sure you get some on the top. Tell y'all, I'm getting hungry. I think this is going to be so good. Yeah, it's going to be yummy. I know my sweet Eric's going to like it. No, he'll love it. Make sure to get some over here. Okay. One more in there. Okay. About got it all. Now I'm going to top it with the rest of my mozzarella. Just sprinkle it over it like this. Hi, Zachy. I'm videoing. He's got his headset on. He don't even know. Okay, and I've got about 1/4 cup of fresh grated Parmesan. Videoing. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with foil and bake it for 30 minutes. And then I'll be fixing my garlic bread. Okay, they came out of the oven, and I've got my Italian bread in the oven right now. My sweet Eric just walked in, so as soon as that bread comes out, then he'll be doing his taste test. Okay, my sweet Eric's in from work, and he is ready for his taste test.
If I must.
Somebody has to, hon.
That's true. That's good.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, y'all, it's Eric approved.
Y'all just go on about your business.
Hope y'all like it. Hope you can make you some for your family to love. Remember, everything's going to be okay, and we love y'all.